Look at that big bite with the speck and the goat cheese right there. Let's do that one. Marinara, herb goat cheese, minced garlic, asiago cheddar blend, Italiano Speck. It's an Italian sausage. We got our linguine stretched out. Gonna just put a little bit of cornmeal on there. Kind of spread that out. We're gonna go put this on the grill. I'm gonna take these pre-cooked mushrooms and onions. I'm just gonna mix them in with the sausage. I'm just going to put a little sausage on each one. Alright, last but not least, we'll put that speck on there. Just going to put a little fresh garlic on here. Alright guys, it is time to put this on the grill out there. Alright, we're back. Look at that. Well, you look at that. Alright, let's check this bad boy out. Look at that. Garlicky. I don't know what to say. That is about one of the best things I've ever tasted. Wow. Look at that big bite with the speck and the goat cheese right there. Let's do that one. It's insane. Insanely rich flavor. These ALDI pizza crusts, man, they are legit. This one is definitely a hit. You don't have to take my word for it. You can make it. You just watch the recipe. Make you some of that. Like, share, and subscribe. We appreciate you guys watching. Hope you have a great night. Peace.